So today I have a new friend.
Hi!
Hi!
My name is Hamada, Pamatach bin Omar, but I go by HAMMADART because like that's what I do, art.
So I found HAMMADART on Instagram.
Side of the road.
On the side of the road, yes. And said, come do my makeup. So today we're going to do what character?
We're gonna be doing Deadpool.
Yes! Deadpool 2's just come out.
Yes. We're gonna block your brows first.
Okay.
So I've just blocked her brows using a glue stick, and right now I'm going in with a baby powder to like set everything so like it stays in place.
Like a face massage. Oh.
Now we're gonna brush this off, and we're gonna go in with the second layer. Now I'm just gonna outline where I want to put the mask on your face. Okay, so I've mixed a bit of red paint with foundation just so that the paint would glide on easier. Are you scared?
I trust you.
I might end up like turning you into Elmo. Now I'm going in with the black paint to paint the black parts. Okay, so now I'm gonna set everything with a baby powder first, just so that it doesn't move around.
So are you setting the black with black?
Yeah,
shadow?
kind of black with black shadow, and straight away like creating the shadow on the black. Like just now we set it with like white powder, so that takes the darkness away from the black paint. Now I'm going in with your eyes, in your waterline, you could say, like under your eye with the eyeshadow. Like you can use like a black eyeliner for this as well to line. I'm going man because I didn't come prepared. Work with what you got. That's been my motto. So now I'm setting the red parts. I usually go in with like different shades of color, just a more realistic feel to the paint, so it doesn't look like paint. Now we're just adding more dimensions. Now we're gonna do some light contouring. I'm putting in the highlights.
With white shadow, is it?
Yep.
Contact lens. We'll be right back.
Right now, I am using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, but I scooped it out of the pencil because it's easier to work with when it's out of the pencil. So like, yeah, I'm just gonna use this to highlight the high points of the mask.
It looks so cool.
Okay, so I've used the NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil, the white one, in her waterline, just to like make it pop more, make her eye look bigger. So now I'm going in with a red lipstick. I'm gonna apply yellow right now onto like the highlights of her face, because if I put on white, it might turn pink. I'm gonna attempt to create folds on the other parts of this mask, like on her skin, to create the illusion that it's peeling back to reveal the mask. I'm just using like various brown colors for like shading.
To create like the depths.
Yes, the depths. Like different shades of brown and gray. And later on we're going in with a stark white for the highlighted spots.
So it's all about that layering.
I'm gonna let you do that side.
Okay. Collaboracy.
Yeah. It turns out to be a legit collaboration since she'll be doing this side.
I'm gonna do my normal face side. I actually just put my foundation everywhere.
Okay.
I'm a sleepy looking girl today. Gosh, eyebrows. Yeah, you look good. I look like myself on one side. And now the master comes back in. I love the way you use the yellow to get the pop without it turning pink. So smart. Look at that.
So this is the final look. This is a legit collaboration since I did one side and she did the other side.
My normal makeup. No skill required. How can people follow you?
Well, you can find me on Instagram. Follow me and support me if you like this look. There's more where that came from.
Yes, you guys have to check out HAMMADART's profile. The looks are amazing and so creative, so that's why I'm so honored. Thank you for coming and collaborating with me.
Thank you for having me. I'm so glad we did this.
Me too. Nailed it.